We'll be exploring the powerful insights shared by renowned author and life strategist Tony Robbins in his book, Master the Game. Robbins has spent decades studying the secrets of the world's most successful investors, including Warren Buffett, Ray Dalio, and John Bogle, and distilled their wisdom into 7 simple steps that can guide us on our path to financial abundance. All right, let's get started with step 1. Welcome to the jungle. Imagine yourself standing at the edge of a dense jungle. This is the financial investment ecosystem. It's crowded, overwhelming, and filled with countless opinions and advice. But fear not, we're here to navigate through it together. People will shower you with various investment strategies, but remember, just like in the jungle, what works for others might not work for you. So it's crucial to gather knowledge, but also trust your own instincts. Listen to everyone, but ultimately decide for yourself. As you embark on this journey, there's one golden rule: savings. But what if saving feels challenging? Well, we've got a solution for that too. Make it automatic. Set up automatic transfers from your paycheck to your savings or investment accounts. This way, you won't even have to think about it. But how much should you save? Well, there's no one-size-fits-all answer. It's all about your personal circumstances and financial aspirations. Trust your gut and your heart. Remember, every penny saved is an investment in your future. When you are not saving, means trading your precious time for money. Choose to be an investor in the economy rather than a mere consumer. If you find it difficult to save a large percentage initially, that's okay. Commit to saving just 3% of your income and gradually increase it as your income grows. By following this simple step, you're planting the seeds of financial freedom. You're taking control of your future and becoming an investor in your own success story. Next step on the path to financial freedom. Step 2. Become the insider. Know the rules before you get in the game. As the legendary Warren Buffett once said, risk comes from not knowing what you are doing. So, let's equip ourselves with the knowledge we need to succeed. Step 2 is all about understanding 3 essential elements: strategy, change your story, your state. Let's understand them one by one. Strategy. Seek proven results. To find the right strategy, look to those who have consistently achieved results over the long run. Seek out mentors, successful investors, and financial experts who have demonstrated their expertise and track record. Educate yourself about different investment strategies, such as value investing, growth investing, or index fund investing. Learn from those who have paved the way to success. Change your story. Harness the power of psychology. Did you know that 80% of success in life comes down to psychology, while only 20% is mechanics? Your mindset and beliefs play a vital role in your financial journey. Take a moment to reflect on your own story. What limiting beliefs or self-doubts might be holding you back? Embrace a growth mindset and rewrite your financial story with empowering beliefs. Remember, money is more than just a transaction. It's a reflection of your creativity, focus, and your ability to add value to others. Your state. Embrace emotional and mental well-being. Your emotional and mental states have a profound impact on your financial well-being. It's essential to cultivate a positive and resourceful state of mind. Practice self-care. Engage in activities that bring you joy and reduce stress, and surround yourself with supportive and like-minded individuals. Remember, when you're in a resourceful state, you make better decisions and navigate the financial landscape with confidence. Now, let's move to step 3. Step 3. What's the price of your dreams? Setting financial goals. How much will it take for you to be financially free? Many people never take the time to sit down and calculate what it truly means for them to achieve financial independence. While there isn't a single number that applies to everyone, we can simplify the process by identifying 5 different goals. Goal 1. Financial security. The first goal is financial security. It involves covering essential expenses like mortgage, utilities, insurance, food, and transportation for the rest of your life. Calculate the monthly cost of these necessities and multiply it by 12 to get your annual secure income. This represents the first dream, to save enough money to cover these expenses. Goal 2. Financial vitality. Moving up the ladder, we reach the second goal, financial vitality. In addition to having all level 1 expenses covered, this level includes funds for clothing, small indulgences, and even a few luxuries. At this stage, you have your needs met and can enjoy some wants as well. Goal 3. Financial independence. Goal 3 is financial independence, where you no longer have to work for a living. Instead, your investment income generates enough to support a great lifestyle. Goal 4 is financial freedom. It involves the cost of the lifestyle you desire, beyond your current financial situation. Start by selecting 3 things you want to add to your current lifestyle. Calculate the annual cost of these additions and add that amount to your current annual total. Finally, we reach Goal 5, absolute financial freedom. This is where you can afford to do anything you want, anytime you want, without any restrictions. At this level, you and your family can truly live the life of your dreams and make a significant difference in the world. Now let's move to Step 4. Step 4. Calculate your dream amount for financial freedom. When asked about the perfect amount of money to make, many of us would immediately think of $1 million. It seems like a magical number, doesn't it? However, let's challenge that assumption and focus on a more meaningful figure. $66,928. Why $66,928? Because it represents the average annual spending of an American adult. If you can generate $66,928 from your investments, you can achieve financial freedom and never have to work again. Surprisingly, $1 million is 20 times that amount. Understanding this perspective should bring you ease and a sense of clarity. It's a lot easier to reach your financial goals when you realize that the dream amount may be within closer reach than you thought. Remember, the level of financial freedom you desire is up to you. Setting specific goals will help you be realistic about what you can achieve and within which period of time. Now let's move to Step 5. Step 5. Create a lifetime income plan. Ray Dalio, the world's largest hedge fund manager, has developed an investment portfolio designed to generate significant returns with minimal risk. Just like the changing seasons, Dalio's plan aims to earn you money regardless of market fluctuations. That's why it's aptly named the All Seasons Portfolio. According to the All Seasons Portfolio, you should allocate 30% of your assets to stocks. This investment is especially important during seasons of high growth, as it offers the potential for higher returns. Additionally, it is recommended to invest 7.5% in gold and 7.5% in commodities. These asset classes often serve as smart investments, even during periods of high inflation. To balance the portfolio and minimize risk, the remaining 55% should be allocated to U.S. bonds. These low-risk investments provide stability and serve as a strong foundation for your portfolio. By following this approach, you enhance your chances of a smooth climb up your financial mountain, where your investments generate a steady ongoing income for you. Now let's move to Step 6. Step 6. Invest like the 0.001%. So, let's learn how to invest like the 0.001%. Rule number 1. Don't lose money. Billionaires are obsessed with protecting their wealth and ensuring they don't incur significant losses. Rule number 2. Risk a little to make a lot. Billionaires understand the concept of calculated risks. They are willing to risk a small amount in the pursuit of substantial returns. Rule number 3. Anticipate and diversify. The 0.001%. Anticipate the possibility of failure and mitigate risks through diversification. By diversifying their investments across different asset classes and industries, billionaires minimize the impact of any single failure on their overall portfolio. Rule number 4. You're never done. The 0.001% are relentless in their pursuit of excellence. They understand that achieving financial success requires continuous improvement and adaptation. Remember, these rules are not exclusive to the 0.001%. They can be applied by anyone willing to adopt a disciplined and strategic approach to investing. By investing like the 0.001%, we increase our chances of achieving extraordinary financial success and joining the ranks of the financially elite. By constantly learning, evolving, and seeking opportunities, billionaires stay ahead of the game and maximize their wealth potential. Now let's move to Step 7. Step 7. Just do it, enjoy it, and share it. So, let's learn how to make the most of our financial resources. The key to spending money wisely is to focus on experiences rather than material possessions. Investing in new experiences can bring lasting joy and create unforgettable memories. Another way to spend money to make yourself happy is by buying time for yourself. Time is a valuable asset, and allocating resources to free up your time can provide more opportunities for relaxation, personal growth, and pursuing your passions. Lastly, investing in others can bring immense satisfaction and purpose. Giving back to your community, supporting causes you care about, or helping those in need can create a sense of fulfillment that money alone cannot provide. And that brings us to the end of our journey through the 7 simple steps to financial freedom. And if you haven't already, Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss any future videos. Take care.